right on the top you can see the watch history is written, and these are the videos that I have watched today. In this screen you can see the search history of your TikTok. So if you want to know how can you find out the recently watched videos on your TikTok, then you should keep watching this video. So first of all, you need to open the TikTok and then click your profile on the bottom right, and from here you need to click these three vertical dots, and from the pop-up menu you need to select the settings and privacy. In the setting and privacy you would not see any watch history, but you need to look for this activity center, which is here in the content and display, third in the sequence. Over here you will see right at the top the activity center shows that how much time you have spent on the TikTok, and then the first link is watch history. Once you will click that, you will see all the videos that you have recently watched on TikTok. Similarly, on the third in sequence is the search history. From here you can find out your search history, and as well as if you have commented on some of the video, you will see all the comments here.